Hello, this is my IEL HA / HB. They took the last of the HAs and re-stamped the VIN right here. You can see the serial number saying HB26 or HB6278. And then the original HA stickers they removed. And this one, as you can see, still has the original sticker saying HA6278, so it never got removed. So it's an early or late HA, early HB. Anyway, I picked it up today at a sale. It was seized up. I put some penetrating oil in the cylinder, waited 5 minutes, give the rope a pull. It come loose. I checked the compression, 150 pounds. I put gas in it, and first pull away it went. I'll start it up for you now. Float bowl carburetors, so for, like a lot of them, so for falling a tree you got to keep the carburetor upright or it'll flood, so you just pull this lever, flip the motor and keep the gas tank and the carburetor upright.